In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms in Framer. We'll start right inside your Framer project and add a working form to a page, customize how it looks and behaves, make sure it's accessible, and then publish your changes. Open the project and head to the canvas where you want the form to live. With the page visible, open the Insert menu. This is your component library, and it's where all the building blocks live. In the Insert menu, navigate to the Forms category. You can choose a complete form preset or add individual pieces like inputs, text areas, checkboxes, and a Submit button. Drop the form or the first input onto the canvas where you want it. If you're assembling it piece by piece, add a text input for a name, an email input, a message area, and then a Submit button. As you place each element, keep an eye on the alignment guide so everything snaps neatly into your layout. In the right-hand panel, update labels and placeholders, and mark any fields as required so visitors know what's needed before submitting. With the form selected, use the Position section in the right panel to control alignment, margins, and constraints. This helps anchor the form in your design, whether it's centered on a landing page or pinned inside a specific section. Then switch to Size to define width and height. For responsive layouts, set the width to fill so it adapts gracefully across breakpoints. For tighter control, use a fixed width and adjust padding and gaps between fields. Select an individual input and open its input settings. Choose the appropriate type, text for names, email for email addresses, so you get helpful defaults like native validation and the right mobile keyboard. Update placeholders or helper text to guide users, and keep error messages clear and concise. Next, go to the Styles tab to match your brand. Set typography for labels and inputs, adjust borders and corner radius, and define background, hover, and focus states. Make sure focus styles remain visible so keyboard and screen reader users can easily navigate. Open accessibility, and confirm every input has a descriptive label, required fields are correctly indicated, and color contrast meets guidelines. Check that the tab order flows top to bottom, left to right. If you need custom behavior, open code overrides to wire up submit actions, show a success state, send data to an endpoint, or trigger analytics. If you're not adding code, the default form handling is fine. Finally, preview your work, and when you're happy, click Publish. Test the live page, try an invalid email to confirm validation, submit a proper entry, and you're done. That's how to add forms in Framer with clean design, solid accessibility, and a smooth publish.